This is Larry Fobbs on the job, and I want to thank you for watching our series of the Increase Elite Income Earners. We help everyone build their business, how they can earn a living from home, especially. So, we're talking about this right here, the virus, which caused a lot of people to stay at home because they were, told to stay at home, and also perhaps they were even laid off. So, but today we have some very good news. Today we're talking about the virus. It has gone down, so that's the good news we want to talk to you today about. Also, we want to talk to you about how you can earn an income from home. One way is by this technique is called HFX trading. So a lot of people says, well, is it gambling? Just like say like the casino behind us out here in Niagara Falls. Is HFX gambling? We're here to tell you no, it is not gambling. So watch the video after this is because they're going to describe and show you what it is and how you can use it to earn money. You're going to be shocked on how easily and quickly you can earn money, even like within 30 seconds, using proper money management and also a skill set. And we're here to train you. That's what we Increase Elite Income Earner Builders. That's what we do. We help everyone all over the world. We have members all over the world. So that's why after this video, at the bottom is going to be that person's contact information, and you can contact them because they're waiting to hear from you. Because like I said, we have members all over the world. And also, so they're going to describe what the HFX is, and you're going to be shocked as it's a technique surprising a lot of people don't know about. So we increase income builders. We help everyone over the world. We're going to continue to spread the message about it. All right, so watch the video after that, and also stay safe. The virus is, it's going down, but everything is getting better. But stay safe. And thank you very much for watching my series, and have a blessed day.
Hey, what's up? What's going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at in the world here, because we've got a pretty exciting business opportunity here that a lot of us have definitely started this month. And let me tell you, a lot is definitely going on. I am like super excited about what's been happening. My name is Stephen Rachel here. Let me check something here really quick here. But my name is Stephen Rachel here. I'm going to be your host here. I'm going to go over some information that can really make a difference if you're looking for a way to make some serious money from home in 2021 and beyond, actually. So not just for this year, but next year and the year after that. I'm going to show you a skill that you can actually acquire that can allow you to make money from home. All you need is a computer, right? Got a computer here, right? So, my laptop right here, or maybe even your phone or tablet or whatever. All you need is that with access to the internet, and you can definitely do it. You don't need any special marketing skills or anything like that. I know a lot of people are looking for different ways of how they can make money from home without having to convince anybody to do anything, without having to sell or twist anybody's arm to do anything, without having to recruit people. Hey, I've got something that's pretty exciting that's going to be able to meet whatever your need is. So whatever you're looking to do, we've got something for you. Okay. It doesn't matter what your background is. Doesn't matter what you know or don't know. As long as you got a computer with access to the internet, and I'll throw in one thing, a finger, so you can click a button, you can definitely do this particular opportunity. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to jump right into it. Let's just go ahead and get started here really quick. I got a lot to cover here, but I definitely want to make sure that you guys get all the information, and you're going to really thank the person that invited you to this webinar here so you can see all this information. So let's jump right into it. Give me 1 second here, and we're going to kick this thing off. Let me change my screen here. 1 second, and here we go. Here, let me move something around here. All right, perfect. Okay, so who are we? Again, we are Team Elevate. Shout out to everybody on the team. Shout out to everybody that's on the team that's making money from home. We got a lot of people on our team making money from home now. It's just truly incredible. I've never seen anything like this in terms of what we've been able to do in a very short period of time. And our team, Team Elevate, we have a lot of training, we have a lot of tools, we have a lot of systems, we got a lot of bells and whistles, a lot of gadgets, kind of like Batman. We got a lot of things in our utility belt that can help a lot of people to make some serious residual income or even daily income. So I'm going to break it down for you. Let me show you really quick here. So we've got a new business opportunity here that our group is sharing. The great thing about it is, like I've been saying, it requires you to do no recruiting, no selling, no convincing, and of course, no headache if you don't want to. So I'm speaking to the people right now that don't want to do any selling, don't want to do any recruiting, don't want to do any convincing, don't want to do any explaining. You just want a way to how you can make money from home without you talking to anybody. Guess what? I've got it. Okay? Pay close attention to this because you're going to get all the information. Now, we've got that for those individuals because some of you, that's what you're looking for. Then we got something for people that want to create residual income. Guess what? We've got that. Okay. We've got a way that can require you to share and do some different things if you want to. It's not required, but if you do, we got a way how you can make, how you can make some serious residual income with an automated system that pays weekly and that can allow you to make $125 a week all the way up to $250,000 a week. Okay. Right now. Okay. This is what we got. So we're meeting both needs here. Now, myself, I like having, a skill that can allow me to do these types of things as well. And even on the other side, so left and right, I'm both, right? But whatever side of the business you want to focus on, what is binary options? What do they do? Well, mainly it's basically a strategy. It's a trading strategy. Now, hold on. Don't leave. I know I said trading strategy. And some of you are like, oh, there you go again. That's too complicated. Nope. Stay where you're at. Don't go anywhere because binary options and HFX is so simple. Anybody can do this. This is a way on how you can make money from home without having to talk to anybody. We got people doing it right now as we're speaking. Hold on one second. Somebody just got paid with HFX and binary options on our team right now. Wait. Somebody else just got paid with HFX and binary options, and all they had to do was hit a button. Okay, I'm going to show you how this works. Let me kind of break it down for you. It's really, really simple. It's kind of like playing a video game. I know a lot of you like playing video games and all that stuff, Xbox, PlayStation, games on your phone and tablet and computer and all that stuff. But with this one here, you can actually make money with this kind of video game, okay? And it's a lot easier than most of those video games that you're playing right now, okay? It's really, really simple. It's easy to set up, pays out fast. Like, since I've been talking over the last 30 seconds, someone on our team just got paid in binary options again, okay? That's how fast we actually get paid here. No complicated calculations to figure out. No complicated apps to download. And of course, there's no overwhelm. So that's why I said, don't go anywhere. I said trading, but don't go anywhere. Stay in your seat. Watch. Okay. Because there's no overwhelm here. Because why? Because when I say trading, I mean, I'm trading HFX and binary options. So that's super, super easy. And you're going to find out how that works. Let me kind of break it down for you really quick here. Okay. This is an illustration. I'm going to break down what the HFX strategy is, or binary options. Remember, they're the same thing. So I'm going to break down what this strategy is and how you can do it. And anybody that's watching, if you're watching this live or you're watching the replay, you can actually do this. Let me kind of show you how this works here. So you got 0 seconds that represents here, 30 seconds on this side right here, and everything in between right here is just time. So 0 seconds goes all the way to the finish line. That's basically 30 seconds. So this just represents 30 seconds of time. Make sense? Okay. Now, when we're trading HFX, there's a lot of different things that you can trade. Currencies, gold, silver, oil, currency pairs, and of course, even companies like McDonald's and Facebook and all these different type of companies. I'm sure everybody here has heard of Apple. Okay. Guess what? We can trade Apple. I like trading Apple here with HFX. I'm having really good luck with Apple and some other ones as well. Okay. But kind of give you an example here. We're going to trade some Apple stock. We're going to do an example here. I'm going to show you how this works. Okay. So pay close attention. Okay. Now, when you're trading HFX, depending on whatever you're trading, whether it's oil, whether it's gold, silver, currency pairs, whatever, right? Each item is going to come with what they call a payout percentage. Okay. For example, okay, in this example here, let's say if I was going to trade some Apple stock using the HFX strategy, let's say, for example, they're going to pay out a 92% payout. Okay. And this number can change. It could be 80% one day. It could be 70% the next day. Let's say it's 92%. And I've actually traded actual Apple stock with HFX while it was at 92%. A 92% payout. And remember, this number can fluctuate, okay, depending on whatever you're doing, okay? Now, let's say, for example, we're going to do a $100 trade, okay, for 30 seconds. We're going to do a 30-second, trade of Apple stock, and we're only going to trade $100. Now, basically, so what do you mean by trading? What are you doing? Well, let me kind of give you an example. We're either typically buying, okay, we're going to either buy a trade, right? Or we're either going to sell. Meaning, if I'm buying, if I'm going to do a $100 buy of Apple stock with a $100 trade, I'm basically predicting that the price of Apple stock is going to go up over the next 30 seconds. And at the end of those 30 seconds, if the price of Apple stock is actually higher and my prediction is correct, guess what? I'm going to win money. I can even predict if Apple stock is going to go down in the next 30 seconds. And if my prediction is correct, guess what? I'm going to win money as well. So in HFX, we can make money if the price is going up. We can make money if the price is going down. Just all depends on what you're trading, okay, and how you want to trade. Now, let me kind of give you an example here. We're going to do a buy here, okay? I'm giving you an example of a buy, okay? Now, watch this. Let's say, for example, here, this line here represents the price of Apple stock. Let's say it's whatever. It could be really high up here, or it could be really, really low down here near the bottom. Let's just say when I entered the trade, okay, I entered it right here. So whatever that price might be, okay, hypothetically. And what's going to happen is it's going to, on this little system that we've got, it's going to actually draw an entry line here, and it's going to stretch that line all the way to the finish line, which is what? 30 seconds. So meaning, I'm going to predict, okay, I'm making a prediction here based off of what NCREASE is telling me, our experts are telling me. They're saying, hey, we're predicting that the price of Apple stock is going to go up over the next 30 seconds. Buy, everybody buy, everybody buy. And I'm going to buy right now. So when I hit buy, what's going to happen? It's going to show this little line. You've seen this line go up and down when it comes to the price of stocks and everything. So it's doing its thing and it's going down. So out here, let me pause it. I'm pausing it real quick here. The object of the game is, as long as when this line reaches the finish line here, as long as it's above this entry line right here, guess what? We win the trade. That's the object of the game. That's it. Told you this is easier than, Angry Birds. It's just easy, right? So the object of the game is I'm predicting that the price of the stock of Apple, which is right here, is going to be higher than my line of entry. So it should end up somewhere above this line, okay? Like it is now. So let me hit play again. So it's doing what it's doing. It's moving around. It's doing its thing and all that and everything. And then it finally finishes. And again, it didn't matter that it went down here because all that matters is where it's at the end of the finish, okay? So it finished above that line. So whatever that price is here when I started, but if you look here at the finish, it's actually higher. So what does that mean? I just won $92 in 30 seconds. Okay. Now I know I went a little longer explaining this. It probably took about a few minutes, but in reality, when I hit start, boom, it's going to pay me out a $92 profit because I did a $100 trade. So I just walked away with $192. And guess what, guys? I didn't have to talk to anybody. I didn't have to do a 3-way phone call. I didn't have to send nobody a link. I didn't have to get on a webinar. I didn't have to do any of that. All I had to do was hit this little green button right here. That's all I did. Okay. So that's why I say it doesn't matter what you've done in the past. You can actually do this business. Okay. You can actually learn this strategy. Matter of fact, let me show you how this works here. Watch this. Watch this here. Check this out. Now, here's a live example of actually me doing a live trade of actual Apple stock. Told you I trade Apple all the time. It's one of my favorite ones out of HFX. There's other ones that I use as well. It's not just Apple, but I just happen to have recorded it when I did this. Watch this here. Here's an example.
And what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to do a sale. I think I'm going to do a buy here. But you see the ball here went down, but it's going to go back up here. So I'm going to predict that it's going to go back up here, and like it's doing now. And I'm just going to enter that trade. So the object of the game is see my line of entry. This is when I just hit the green button. So here's my line of entry. So I got to make sure that this ball stays above this line for the next, I don't know, 15 seconds, which is this line right here. So, so if it can stay above this green line, let's see how much we'll win. I did a $100 trade on Apple stock, and let's see what happens. Yeah, I'm gonna win this trade. I won that trade. How much we win in 30 seconds? Just won 192 bucks. Well, boom. And I did a 30-second trade with a $100 trade for 30 seconds. And all I did, I just hit the green button and just won $192 just like that. And I can do it again and again and again if I want to. So I just made almost a couple $100 in 30 seconds. So that's how simple this is.
Simple. Here's a few examples of the other people winning some trades. As you can see, just different currency pairs. The green represents that they won. The white represents the amount that they traded. So you can kind of see, you can even see some that they lose, just like with any kind of trading strategy. You're going to win some, you're going to lose some, but as long as you're winning most of your trades, which is what we teach, we show you how to make those predictions. So most of your trades, you're actually winning. So I think they won 10, I think, and lost. Well, out of 10 trades, look like they lost one. I think the same with this one. I don't know how many this one was, but look, this was Home Depot. They were trading Home Depot here. So really, really simple here, guys. It's definitely not rocket science. But again, like I said, profits disclaimer, past profits don't guarantee future profits. It just goes with anything. I mean, whether you're trading stocks, whether you're trading, cryptocurrencies or whatever, when it comes to the trading markets, the great thing I love about HFX, it's not that it's any different than any other type of trading strategy. The one thing that makes it different from a lot of other things that I've seen is that the simplicity of it. Okay. That's typically been the roadblock for a lot of people to get into this game, is that it's very complicated, whether it's Forex, whether it's this, whether it's that. And we've got Forex training and all that great stuff here inside of NCREASE also. However, the great thing about HFX, it levels the playing field. So now everybody can play and you don't need a college degree to figure it out. And that's a great thing that we've got here. And again, with HFX, requires no selling, no recruiting, no auto ship worry, and no problem. Okay. And yes, you can do this. We've got all this actually under our umbrella inside of NCREASE University, which is what NCREASE offers us. It's one of our products that we have here. We have several products in several different niches. We're not a Forex company or whatever. We've got a lot of different things. This is one of our exciting products that we do have that's creating a lot of buzz online is the NCREASE University pack. And inside the NCREASE University pack, you're going to get access to HFX information, our live trading sessions, trade ideas, NCREASE indicators, and even more even under the Forex training. We have a lot of Forex training as well. So basically going to give you the financial education that you need to be able to make money from home without you having to talk to anyone. Okay, makes sense. This is what that product provides. It provides you a way of how you can make money from home without having to do any recruiting or selling if you don't want to do any of that. And we, of course, as you know, when it comes to trading, there are people that are making hundreds of dollars a day. There are people that are making thousands of dollars a day in trading. There are people that are making tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, and there are people that are making millions of dollars per day trading. Guess what? And we have that education to show you how to do the same thing.